issue for her. With
Oh, okay. Oh, great. Chesapeake Life?
So the August issue should be coming out pretty quickly then.
Yeah, it's August, but it would actually be the October issue.
Okay.
And they had the woman put on a coat like it was fall, and we took the pictures back there.
Ah.
It was Cash and Floppy, whoever Floppy the pony.
That must have been pretty hot for her. For today.
Yeah. Yeah, we're filming because this was her gift. Going to camp was, the relatives chipped in to send her to camp because she really wanted to go. So we promised them we would film everything so they could see it. And she is just having a ball.
What are your eyeballs supposed to do? Look where you're going, all down at the horse, right? Can you guys try 2 points? Think you can do 2 points without fear? Everybody show me jumping position. Good. Katie, that was Make that pony mine, Kate. Make that pony mine. Ainsley, can you lunge her? Make up that outside right. Alright, that's the pony truck, guys. Very good. Let me sit and come back to walk, okay? That's better. So those of you who are here, will you stay out on the rail? And those of you that are just walking the caddy, can you come in?
That's just so cute.
I know, isn't he gorgeous?
He's almost iridescent in certain light.
Yeah. It's a beautiful horse.